few years ago, I got mad with the old air horn prank. And since then, I've had a lot of requests for me to do it again. So over the last couple of days, I'm going to get them kind of again with it, but I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Alright, so outside here in the garage, I have set up in the corner by the door and air horn angled, so the door is open. As you can see, I have more of these. I got a handful more back in the house. So we'll keep on doing this until they're all gone. Later tonight when Matt gets home from work, I'll come back out here and set it back up. Alright, Matt's home right now, up in the shower. He's got home from work. Now, every Thursday night is bridge night at the senior center. So Matt will be heading off to that in a little bit. So I'll get him when he leaves for bridge. That should work. Alright. Alright, Matt's out back right now on the grill. So I'm gonna try and get him here on the door. Put it in the track so when he opens up the door, it will go off. Step back here. That's good. You almost done out there? You medium rare does not take that long. Alright, I'm going to hide one inside the cabinet here. As you can see, this is kind of deformed. This from the first time that I got him, and he got all mad and threw it and thought he broke it, but I got it working again. So I'm going to hide it here inside the cabinet. So when he closes this, I'm going to actually leave it open because he gets mad when they're open. So when he closes it, it should go off on him. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera up in the corner of the shower. It's not the best angle, but I have to do for today. Alright, this one, I'm in the back seat of his car. Now I moved up his seat a few inches, so when he gets in there, he'll have to readjust his seat. When he does, it will obviously slide back and go off. It's been about a week since I got him last. Since then, I've been working on the video, you know, editing it. He's actually seeing it, so he thinks it's all over with, but it's not over with, Matt. Okay, so for part 2 of this prank here, it's been kind of a running joke between Matt and some of our friends where we go into each other's cars and turn on their blinker, their wipers, I don't know, put the volume, just turn random stuff on so when they turn on their car, everything is going crazy. We'll press this button, I don't know what it does. Blinking, but okay. Whatever, just press some random buttons so when he turns on his car, everything will be messed up. Okay, Matt's about to head outdoors. So, should be getting him here in a second. Oh, there he is. Hey, I think you're Matt, aren't you? Aren't you late? Matt.
How many of these do you have? Yeah.
Seriously? Wow, somebody's got a poor attitude today.
Really? Really?
Don't you have places to be?